The deadly mistake? Using the completely wrong engine oil. I know this sounds simple, but please listen carefully to this. Silverados from 1999 all the way to today absolutely need 5W. 30 full synthetic oil with proper Dexos 1 Gen 2 certification. But what do the majority of Silverado owners actually do? They just grab any random common 5W, 30 oil from the gas station shelf. That's a huge, expensive mistake. Why is this such a big deal? Because Vortec and Ecotec 3 engines have ultra-sensitive hydraulic lifters built into them. These lifters desperately need oil with very specific additives that actively prevent harmful deposit formation inside your engine. When you use common, non-certified oil, here's exactly what happens inside your engine. First, carbon deposits and sludge start forming around the lifters in just 6,000 miles of driving. Then, those lifters begin to partially seize up and stick, losing their smooth operation. Finally, you start hearing that dreaded tick-tick-tick metallic sound coming from your engine. When that ticking sound happens, it's already too late to prevent damage. The complete repair costs $3,000 or even more. The good news? The solution is actually simple and costs only about $89 more per year. Step number 1. Use only premium synthetic oil 5W, 30 with official Dexos 1 Gen 2 certification. Always look carefully for the Dexos certification seal printed right on the bottle label. Step number 2. Change your oil every 5,000 miles maximum, and never, ever wait for 7,000 miles or more between changes. Step number 3. Always use high-quality oil filters, never the cheapest ones. Those cheap bargain filters let microscopic dirt particles pass through that will absolutely destroy those sensitive lifters over time. Top recommended brands that mechanics trust: Mobil 1 Extended Performance, Castrol Edge Professional, Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic, and Valvoline Advanced. All of these come with the proper Dexos certification seal. Yes, I understand it costs about $89 more per year compared to using common conventional oil. But think about this. You're actively protecting an engine that's worth $8,000 or more. It's literally the critical difference between your beloved Silverado running strong for 300,000 miles without any major problems, or desperately needing a completely new engine replacement at just 100,000 miles. Your engine might already have serious internal damage if you're hearing any of these warning sounds. Persistent tick-tick-tick noise when first starting up in the morning. Loud metallic rattling noise when accelerating hard. Noticeable gradual loss of engine power over recent months. If you hear even one of these concerning sounds, stop driving immediately and see a qualified mechanic now. Every single mile you continue driving is causing more permanent damage to your engine. Just $89 per year to protect your $8,000 engine investment? It's absolutely the smartest choice you can possibly make. Leave in the comments right now. Do you currently use proper Dexos oil or just common oil? I guarantee many people watching will discover they're making this expensive mistake right now. If this video just saved your engine from destruction, smash that like button. Subscribe to this channel for more money-saving tips. Warning: